Hello YouTube, Ollie the Repair Dude is here again. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use lockra1n, a tool developed by Always After FTD. The first thing is to download lockra1n. Click get lockra1n. You get presenting lockra1n. Please note only checkm8 devices will work. Non-checkm8 devices such as A12 Plus devices will not work with this free bypass tool. The first thing is to download the latest available version of lockra1n 2.1. Click this to download the new version. Let it download. This will take some time, so be very patient. This will take a while, so be very patient. And as you can see, I have an iPhone 8 on the activation lock screen on the latest available iOS version for this phone. It is downloading, so be very patient. I'm downloading this zip for the tutorial purpose. Once done downloading, open the folder. Read the instruction.txt. It will teach you about something about the cannot open file. The first thing is drag and drop lockra1n to the applications folder of your Mac. Once there, open up terminal window. Enter sudo sattr.cr. Drag and drop lockra1n to the terminal. Hit enter. Password, enter your Mac password. For me is, I won't say it on recording. Once done, you can now open lockra1n. But before we open lockra1n, right click show page content, contents, resources, find Python folder, and click to install Python 2.package. Due to the fact that some macOS version have issues running this software because of Python dependency, you must install this to solve certain issues. Enter your Mac password and install software. This will take some time, so be very patient. This will solve issues like you cannot run the lockra1n's RAM disk. Once done, you can close this. And now you can open lockra1n. Open lockra1n. This will take some time for you to load, so be very patient. You get this. Welcome to lockra1n. Click agree. Now I show you this iPhone 8 is on activation lock. As you can see, this is activation lock. You need to register the device serial number by clicking get device info first to get the serial number of the device. If you get lockra1n, it's asking you to trust on your device. You shouldn't see any trust icon. If there is, click trust. Click OK. Copy and paste the serial number. Just highlight this and press Command C on your MacBook or your Mac. Then go to the registration page. I'll be giving the link to the registration page, so not to be so worried about it. Scroll down, Command V on your MacBook or your Mac to paste the serial number and click register device. Once you get device registered or something along that line, for me, I already registered the device. I'm just showing you just as a demonstration on how to register your serial number. After which, go to lockra1n, click OK, click prepare lockra1n. You need to do this once. If you've done this already, just click cancel. For me, I'm just demonstrating on how to use the software, so I'll be clicking OK to demonstrate. This will take some time, so be very patient. You get done. Click OK. Click search for device. You get searching for connected device. Click OK. This will take some time, so be very patient. You get press trust on the device. For erased hello screen, you shouldn't get any trust. But if for some reason you get trust, please do tap on the trust icon. I mean the trust button, then click OK. Once you get found device on iOS, whatever, just click OK and click generate activation files to create the activation files for your device. Click OK for that and wait. This will take quite some time, so be very patient. As you can see, it's still on the activation lock state, as you can see on this iPhone. Basically, you just take your serial IMEI number to generate some activation files for your device. Once you say activation files have been successfully generated, click on OK. Click bypass device RAM disk. Click continue. It says please enter DFU mode now. For iPhone 8 and 8 Plus and X, press volume up, volume down, power key. When you get this, hold down for at least 10 seconds until the screen go black. When the screen go black, press down the volume down key. The screen is black, press the volume down key for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let go of the power button and hold the volume down key until it reaches DFU mode. If it's unsuccessful, you can try again. Open a Finder window to see whether the device is on recovery mode. Then repeat the steps. This may take a few attempts for iPhone 8, 8 Plus and X. So be patient with it. So for me, I press volume up, volume down, power button, hold until the screen go black, then immediately press down the volume down key. For iPhone 8, 8 Plus and X. For other iPhones, it's home button and volume key. Now I'm trying to get to this device on DFU mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let go of the power key and wait for the Finder to show iPhone on recovery mode. Once you get iPhone on recovery mode, when you try to enter DFU mode, you can close the windows of Finder. Then go back to lockra1n. Click OK. You can close the Finder window. This is normal. Go back to lockra1n. When you get this, enter your password for your Mac. Once you get RAM disk has been created, click OK to boot your device into SSH RAM disk mode. Click on OK and wait. This will take a while, so be very patient. You should see something display on your iPhone screen, like the SSHRD script on the iPhone screen. It should display some line of texts on the iPhone display while it's doing its magic by injecting the activation file it just generated into the device and disabling baseband at the same time. This will take some time, so be very patient. And Cheetah boom, your iPhone should reboot and go to the hello screen straight away. This will take some time for your phone to load. And boom, the iPhone is on the home screen. You get this mobile data issue is detected because the baseband has been disabled. Just click OK to ignore. As you can see, I can have access to the home screen. I can even turn on camera. I can even go to settings. As you can see, it's fully bypassed. With exception without signal, without phone signal, without SIM card signal. As the baseband has been disabled. I hope you enjoy this short tutorial video. Please like, share, and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Shout out to Always Apple FTD for this amazing software called lockra1n. I hope to see you again in another tutorial video. See ya.